Today we will be drawing Naruto, not from the anime but from fan art. Here's the sketch. So let's start. Firstly, we will be applying base color that will be yellow. And now here from the base color we will start giving it some shades. I'll be using orange and red color for the darker shades. Personally, right now the results look amazing to me. Now it's time to color the headband, and I'll be putting the base color grey. For the headband I have shaded red color because I want to give it a red shade. Same with this shirt. We'll be putting red color for the red shade from the blast or the lightning. Do comment down what do you want next. Same we'll be doing with the right side of Naruto. Now for the skin color, I'll be using skin color as the base tone and brown and orange for the glitter shades. Now for the eyes, I'll be very careful, and with lighter and greater shades it will look perfect. By the way, who do you think is more stronger in Naruto series? Personally, I like Madara. Now we'll be putting some lightning shades around the sketch. Now for the background, I'll be using blue color and some extra shades.